In this video, I'd like to show you how to lock your computer, which essentially means, uh, just like your screensaver would do, putting the password prompt on the screen so that if anybody wants to look at your stuff or manipulate your files, they're going to have to log in, right? So this is obviously useful if you're in a busy office environment and you don't want other people to be able to sit down at your desk and control your computer as if they were you, right? And if you have a screensaver and it's set for 5 or 10 minutes, you don't want that 5 or 10 minute vulnerability there, because if it takes you 3 minutes to walk away and leave the building, they've got the 2 minutes to sit down, and as soon as they move the mouse, they're in and they can do whatever they want as if they were you, right? So let's go ahead and do this super easy task. You're going to click on your start button, and the top icon here will have your username to the right of it. Click there and just click where it says lock, right? And then this will bring you to that sign in screen. If you want to get back in, you're going to have to click and put in your password. So remember to do this in any environment where your computer is left on, but there are people that you're not ready to trust hanging around doing their thing.